Hello and welcome back to 100% Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix headphones not being detected on Samsung Galaxy Tab S11. Let's begin. I have my Samsung Tab 11 right here, my headphones right here, and let's try to fix them not being connected. First of all, let's expand the control center from the top right corner and let's disable the Bluetooth. Just for a moment, let's wait for a couple of seconds and then let's enable it back. This way we are successfully restarting the Bluetooth on its hardware level, so we turn it off and then we turn it on, and this should fix some very minor bugs. However, if you still have some troubles, we can once again expand the control center, press and hold Bluetooth this time, and then go into details. Now you can go into the cog wheel, which means settings for the device we want to connect to, and then we want to go and press Unpair. Press it once again, and now our phone will behave like it never even saw our Bluetooth device in the first place, and now all we want to do is we want to connect to it once again. By default, your headphones still will be on. I will press the power button, and just wait for it for a moment until it turns off completely. And now this is pretty universal for most Bluetooth devices, but general rule is to simply press and hold the power button until some sort of LED starts flashing like this, or you hear an audio cue that basically says pairing mode or something like that. And after you have done that, you can now go and press scan, and you should see your headphones here in a moment. As you can see, don't give up on them so quickly, as they might appear a few seconds later than you think. Let's click pair, and now if everything is correct, we should be able to pair our device. Now, technically speaking, what I just showed you is the way to disabling and enabling the Bluetooth and then repairing with your headphones. This is all pretty basic stuff. What if it's still not working? Well, then something is wrong, either with your headphones or either with your tablet. So let's do a little diagnostic game and let's check what's exactly in fault here. First of all, you probably want to borrow your friend's phone or family member phone or something like that, and then you want to try to connect that phone to your headphones. This is typically easier than getting a second pair of headphones. Now, after you have done that, and if it fails, you know that it's actually the headphones that aren't working. However, if it doesn't fail, and it doesn't fail on other friends' phone and other family members' phone, then something is wrong with your tablet. If you have this first case of the headphones being wrong, there is not really much I can say to you. There is some sort of probably physical damage here or physical manufacturer mistake, and you probably want to return your headphones to the shop you've bought them to, especially if you have your warranty. However, if the tablet is the one that's wrong, well, technically you can try to turn off and turn on your device by simply expanding the control center, clicking power icon and then restarting it. This should help you fix that issue by just restarting the Bluetooth, but this is essentially just the premium version of what we did here by just, disabling and then enabling your Bluetooth back. So if it's still not working, I would advise you to also try to return your tablet, or at least getting it checked in some sort of Samsung store for other minor bugs or physical damage near the Bluetooth port. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.